This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Brabble. 5.17 acres of land on Stumpy Creek that leads into the Chowan River. This property comes with a single-wide manufactured home that is currently being rented and a block home that is in need of repairs before being rented. The creek is 0.4 miles to the expansive Chowan River that is wide enough for some smaller boats. This property has plenty of potential and a must-see. October 8, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Kimberly Brabble at 252-435-6233.